Hey, so obviously it's important to not get your leads called on public holidays. So what I'm going to show you is just how you can set it up where the AI will not call the leads and the workflows will all be drafted on the public holidays. So the first thing you want to do is come into settings and automation. Then when we come down here, it's going to see here pause workflows. So temporarily pause selected workflows, putting them in a draft state during a specific time period. So what we would do is there's certain things like Christmas and like New Year's and that where you can tick annually. But what we would do is we just click in, let's say that there's none in here. We'd start from scratch where we'd add date. I'd also search up like whatever state you're in the public holidays. So you can just start in order and just go through and put all these inside here to pause. So for example, I would just put, let's say I would start with Easter, which is the 20th of April, but then there's 21st. Oh, it's 18, 19, 20, 21. So you could even start with like Australia Day, but yeah, 18, 19, 20, 21 is Easter. So what I would do is I'd come into here and I would put it down to 22nd. So the 18th to the 22nd. So you can do midnight from the 18th to midnight on the 22nd. Actually, what I would do is be careful with this. What I would do is I'd put this to 9. So I would do until from midnight on the 18th up until at 9 a.m. on the day after the public holiday ends on the 22nd, because the last day was Monday, so you can start making calls again Tuesday. Set it up at 9 a.m. Make sure it's that, because that's really important. So we can set it up here. You can see here. But Easter every year, I'm pretty sure it's on different dates, so you don't want to tick annually here, but you can see that. And then selected workflows, you'd want to do, you could pretty much, I could say you could do all published, or you can just tick like all these ones that's regarding like whatever agents, because then you can leave these ones. Those ones are fine. But all the ones that would have in brackets like agent 1, agent 2, how many agents you got, you'd tick all them. Then let's say, for example, if it's Christmas, I'll just do that one for example, but you just go through here and go through and do all of them. So let's go December 25th midnight until, because there's Boxing Day as well, until December 27th at 9 a.m. And then, yeah, you can just click on all the ones that have the agent names on it. And there you go. So that would be like that. That one I can tick annually because obviously Christmas is the same date every year. So you can do things like Australia Day, Anzac Day, and that sort of stuff, and just put it as annually and tick that. But then you'd save it down here. Mine's telling me it's already done because I've already done it. But yeah, you can see when you'd save it, it would make sure here. See, it would have all these, but it's always ending at 9 a.m.